Hi, this is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I'm about to show you the chicken salad that I am going to make. I already have my chicken here. This is chicken breast, white meat. I have 4 eggs, some sweet salad cube pickles, and I have a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, black pepper, and I'm using honey, mustard, mayo, and 3 stalks of green onions. And I'm going to mash up the eggs like this. Gonna mash them up really well. I have my gloves on, so I'm mashing this up. I'm incorporating this with the chicken, and I have a little bit of green and red bell pepper in here. And I'm gonna mash this up really well, and then I'm going to put some honey mustard and some mayo, a little more black pepper, and then I will be cutting up the green onions to go in here. When I'm done with this mixture, I'll come back and show you. Okay? All right. Okay, this is the chicken salad. It is ready, and I might add that I put about 1/4 of a teaspoon of sugar in here. And let me show you what it looks like. Look at that. And B is going to sample it. Bring your plate closer, B. B is sampling it, and she is going to tell you all what it tastes like. What does it taste like, B?
It is not good. It is delicious. This
Yes.
is so good. And with crackers or on bread, oh my goodness. I love crackers. So I'm eating mine with crackers. But this is so good.
Okay, y'all. This is my chicken salad coming from Patty's Southern Kitchen.
Y'all, I need to sample. I need to come around here more often and sample. We almost need to hire her to cook for us because this is so good. It's delicious. Y'all want to taste it? Smell it? So good.
Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for coming in. Again, this is Patty. I will see you soon. Goodbye.